This 2017 Winnebago Sightseer 33C is a Class A RV. It is located in Rockford, Illinois, 61101 and is offered for sale by Winnebago Motorhomes. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 34 feet 4 inches in length and features a Mountain View Vienna maple interior, sleeps 5, TV, LP detector, air conditioning, stovetop burner, smoke detector, leveling jacks, slide-out, awning, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, and 73 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front entertainment, front living area, loft. This 2017 Winnebago Sightseer 33C is built on a Ford F-Series Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Winnebago Motorhomes.